In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TradingView for free with the Dhan app on your laptop. You'll discover how to access powerful tools, personalize your charts, and execute trades, all seamlessly integrated within this dynamic platform. Whether you're just starting or are an experienced trader, these steps will help you optimize your trading strategies. First up, open your laptop's browser and head to the Dhan web platform. This will be your gateway to all the features you're about to explore. Once there, locate the TradingView charting tool within the Dhan platform. This tool is rich with capabilities that will enhance your trading experience. With the chart open, it's time to log in. Use your Dhan account credentials to log in, which will enable all the integrated features we'll discuss today. Now that you've logged in, let's talk about some of the key features and how you can use them to your advantage. One of the great benefits is free access to various drawing tools. For instance, you can use the Anchored VW app to analyze price actions and keep track of your criteria. This empowers you to make informed trading decisions with confidence. Additionally, you can personalize your charts by saving various layouts that suit your trading style. Consider marking your favorite indicators or toggling between light and dark modes to create a comfortable viewing experience. Everything you need is deeply integrated, providing a seamless trading environment. For effective trade management, utilize the stop-loss limit orders. This allows you to place a single order combining both a stop-loss and limit order functionality directly from your chart. If you're dealing with multiple instruments, the basket orders feature will come in handy. This allows you to execute multiple orders simultaneously, perfect for implementing different strategies all at once. The advanced option chain is available too, providing detailed data for a more in-depth analysis of your option trading strategies. Managing your trades couldn't be easier with the Live Profit and Loss feature, enabling you to monitor your P&L in real time, manage positions without constantly switching between different applications. For those who need speed, features like Flash Trade and Sticky Order Window ensure quick and efficient trade execution. As a laptop user, there are advanced tips that can help you maximize your experience. You can arrange your screen to view multiple charts. This is ideal for monitoring different instruments or time frames at the same time. Keyboard shortcuts will also speed up your trading process. For example, use the spacebar to swiftly cycle through pairs in your watch list. Finally, organizing your workspace using chart layouts allows you to switch effortlessly between long-term investing and short-term day trading views with clarity. By following these steps, you can unlock the full potential of TradingView integrated with the Dhan app for a robust and efficient trading experience. So dive in, explore all these features, and take your trading to the next level. Happy trading!